Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing of the new brake calipers that I bought off of Amazon with my own money. And my plan is to install it into my Model Y. And I've seen the review, and it looks like it's pretty good. And so here it is. I just received the box about a couple of days ago, and today we're just gonna do the unboxing, and maybe in the next video or so, we're gonna do the installations onto the Model Y and see how it looks like. So far, I got the spoiler installed already, so it's kind of somewhat looks like a performance, but it's not. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need the hubcap as well too, because right now, with the last video, I messed up the hubcaps. So now it has the Gemini back on there, but hopefully eventually I'm gonna get like another set of hubcaps or something to replace it. So here we go. We're gonna do a quick unboxing and see how it is. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna do this with my hand. Might be a little bit shaky, but alright. Oh, not bad. A box in a box. Okay, so we got the empty box, put it all the way. And what we're looking at is, let's flip it the right way up. So you can see right here, it came in a white box, 2022 to 2023, 2Calipers covers, red fit Model Y. That's all it says. So we'll do unbox. Over here it has it as well. Factory number, it's MY-R19, R20, color red. Kind of hard to get up this way. So off the back, you see scan QR code to watch the installation video from YouTube, Model Y. So please check for all the parts included in the package before the installation. Contact us if any is missing. And it tells you what it comes with and what's included. Here you go. And it has step-by-step instructions on how to do the installations. So I think it should be fairly easy. But we don't know yet until we actually do the installation ourselves. But these is the instructions. So it has good pictures. It has a lot of pages for us to follow. You know, so far it looks good. All right, so let's take this one off first. It does come in with a aluminum alloy cover. It's kind of sticky, so it's hard to get it out. Okay, so here we go. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Wow, it's big. As you can see, TSL-F-MY. So I guess it stands for Model Y. It's pretty big. Look at that. It's huge. So, all right, that's one. I think it's gonna come with two. I think that's like the bigger one is for the front, and the smaller one is for the back. And I like how they treated all this, and I like how it comes into with its own bag, and it has its own cover. You know, it's pretty nice. So Check this out. Remove that. Here we go, another one. Aluminum. It's light enough. It has this, it looks just like the real one, I guess. You know, the imitations. It has this one right here. You wouldn't think it's a fake one, you know? It looks pretty good. So let's put those two front ones. And let's check out the two rear one. I think the rear one a little bit smaller. Maybe a lot smaller. I'm gonna put it together size right next to each other so you guys actually can see it up there. Oh, this is the rear, so it's not that small. Oh, but compared to the front one, it's huge. But this is the rear. Looking at this, you know, I think they did a really good job with the paint. You know, even the inside, everything is painted like nicely done. Like, you know, you would think like if the inside is like nobody's looking at it or we can't see from the outside and they would just leave it like messy. But no, this is not. This is like, it looks like they dipped the whole thing inside and looks really, really nice even from the inside. So again, so that's the rear. I don't know, it's just bigger than my hand. So maybe what, 8 inches? And the front one is even bigger. So let's do another one. Remember, aluminum alloy caliper covers. Here you go, another one. Just again, this is the paint, the detail is spotless. It's really nice. Aluminum, inside out. There we go, 4 pieces. Awesome. And I guess, what does it come with? Oh, it comes with the Tesla. Oh, these are black. I wonder if they have the white ones as well. So let's take a look. Okay, so it does come with these little aluminum diagonal or diamond. I guess just where you place it on here, you know, make it looks more real. And they do come with the white color. Put it on here so you guys see better. So, oh, these are the front one. This looks huge. And I think it's gonna go more like something like this. So you put the red and black on it. Just make sure you put it like, you know, line it up nicely. Like white, what do you guys think? Red and white? Or should we go with red and black? I think I like the white better. Right, so, or maybe they have a smaller one too. Okay, so they do have the big ones and they do have the small ones. The small ones go into the rear calipers, so it would be something like this. So yeah, nice. So okay, so the other bag was for the logo, and the bigger bags has these 2 pouches, and inside it has these accessories or this hardware for us to install. And looks like it's good quality. Okay, and it has like those numbers on there, like R4, and if we follow the instruction, you know, it should be fairly easy where to put. So maybe if this is left 5, this is left 4, And then they got rear 4 and rear 5. So if we follow the diagram, you know, the instructions, and it does include this little tool. That way you can just, you don't need any special tools to install it, so which is awesome. Okay, and this is for the rear part, which is kind of like smaller in size, and even the shape is smaller too. But overall, you can see it's humongous. Let's look at all this stuff right here. So I can't wait to install it and see how it looks on my Tesla. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it for the unboxing, guys. As you can see, this thing is big. By big, I mean it's big. This is the front, and this is the rear. All right, so this go right on top. So that's pretty much it. So I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it, but I think it's in the mid 150 or something around there. So they do have many different brands. I just picked the one that has the most review and with a good rating. So if you guys like to see me do the installation, such as subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and I'm pretty sure maybe right now I have about like almost 3,200 miles. So I'll wait until maybe another 3,000 or 4,000, and then when I do the rotation of the tires, and that's when I'm gonna do the actual installation to it, and I'll walk you guys through it and see and let you guys know how it went, and see if you guys like the look of it, you know. But other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.